Hi, here's the Estrel Congress Center and Show Theater. Ooh. Seating area. Oh, Estrel Tower. Beautiful. Let's see where this is going to lead us. Looks like we're going straight into the convention center. Yep, so this is the kind of a roundabout. Oh my, water fountains outside. Oh, that definitely looks like pieces from the Berlin Wall.
For sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. Wow. Some tourists taking pictures of that. Yep. Pictures of the very famous Berlin Wall. Huh. Go see that after and snap a couple of pics of history. All right. Oh, wow. This is great. Oh. Oh, we got Elvis down here. Wow. There you go. ECC Berlin. Estrel Congress Center. Reverendo Court. We got Gary Cooper. Wow, Ernest Borgnine and Rod Steiger, Glenn Ford. Fantastic. Henry Fonda, Terence Hill. There's Elvis. Oh, Oprah Winfrey. Whitney Houston. My apologies.
You can probably guess I know zero.
And the Blues Brothers.
I know zero Blues people.
Here's the Estrel Show Theater. Oh, wow. I mean, seriously. Look at the bar in here. Oh, what a place. Looks like Elvis really performed here. Yep. All the different stars in concert. Want to stand for a picture? Let's go. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Bar area. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, look at this stage. The Divas show. Well, for those of you who are interested, these are what the prices look like for some cocktails. Hello, there's a show tonight? Yeah? Is it free? Oh, you gotta get tickets? Looks fun. All right, we will. Thank you. This is the floor plan of the show theater.
So due to your tiredness, which you're all tired, no, what saying tonight after the show,
John Lennon.
we're going to just have some locals, local beers and stuff.
Huh. Michael Jackson's glove? Oh, wow. Elvis's jumpsuit. ABBA? Oh, look at the belt. Oh, Michael Jackson. And over here, I couldn't pronounce this if I tried. Some words. Phantom of the Opera. Artist choice. So we are going to be handing out some awards here too, and some fantastic trophies. 3D printed, my 3D print. Hello. Now that's only the show theater. We haven't even been into the convention center yet. Anything interesting down there? I don't know where these doors lead. Yeah, but I don't know if the... Well, I don't know if we're going to be able to go down there. It doesn't look like it's open. And we don't know where these door leads. Okay, I guess we'll ask for a tour of the convention center on Tuesday, because it's
I think it's somewhere in there.
Easter Sunday. Yeah, okay. Well, I have it here, ECC Berlin. You're sure it's not down there? Yes, but the whole thing is the ECC. Oh, we've got an open door. Let's go for it. What a nice... Wow. Oh, we're in. Okay. So this is the entrance of the show theater that we just visited. Oh my God, Don Camillo with Fernandel. Oh, you gotta be as old as me to know what this means. Incredible. This place must be pretty old. I don't know where the convention center was founded, because Convention Hall 1. See if we can get a sneak peek. We have an open door. Wow. There it is. Now this is pretty big. This is very big. Pretty dark, no lights on. Mezzanine upstairs. Oh, wow. Another mezzanine up there. This is huge.
Yeah, but this is not the whole, this is not the sea.
Yeah, I don't know which one this is. That center here. Well, of course, our tour and discussion with our hosts is not scheduled before next week. We're cheating here. We luckily managed to get in and give you guys a sneak preview of the convention center. Wow.
Past 9 years.
Pretty cool, huh? Like it? I like the floor. It's all wood.
Yeah, I think this is 2 holes. She said we had part of this, not the whole thing. So I don't know if it's a half or a quarter of this.
And the 800 square meters of the hall over there at the entrance as well.
No, it's probably on that side where the doors are.
So we have 2,800 square meters. I don't know what this is like. These are serious curtains. It's huge. Oh, nice. Well, there you have it. A lot of rails on the ceiling. I'm sure this place, when it's lit up, it must be pretty awesome because these are lights up there. I guess it could get quite bright in here. Yep, internet. Well, there you have it. It was a pleasure sharing with you this experience of discovering the Estrel Convention Center in Berlin. So we will keep you updated of everything going on here. Thanks a lot.